No, I'm not taking a picture. Okay, it's Senya. And oh my god, this is 10th grade. This is 10th grade edition.
Year, guys.
What is going?
Senya and Kat.
What is going on here? This is craziness. So again, we're Mr. Hamilton's class, and we're in the same class again, except sort of. She's supposed to be in jazz band right now, even though she's not in jazz band. It's really confusing. It just makes sense.
Guys, Senya's hair is pink.
Like, what?
She just woke up in the morning and it was pink.
It was just like I woke up this morning and my hair was pink.
Yeah, I know. It was like the gun was pointing at me, but it was the camera.
What? I had no idea how that worked out.
The magical camera gun.
Okay. So this is Senya and Kat part 1. Let's start at 1. We just thought of 1 at the same time. 10th grade year. What? Oh my god. Okay. Bye.